Hi, this is Richesh, your mentor on digital marketing from School of Techies. I'm going to talk about the importance of digital marketing and how it is going to be affecting each and every person's life. Digital marketing, a term which everyone knows, right? எல்லாருக்குமே ரொம்ப ஃபெமிலியரான ஒரு விஷயம். டிஜிட்டல் மார்க்கெட்டிங்ன்றது நம்மளை சுற்றி இருக்கிற எல்லா இடத்துலையுமே இருக்குது. From your palm of your phones to your laptops to your computers to your TV. So digital marketing அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் எடுத்துட்டிங்கன்னா one thing that you will be focusing majorly is called social media. Social media, Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, இந்த மாதிரி இடத்துலலாம் you are going to be present all the time. So I'm going to talk about the importance of digital marketing. Digital marketing is one of the most growing fields in the world. Digital marketing என்ற ஒரு கான்செப்ட் வந்து it's been here for like more than 20 plus years. But digital marketers in India is pretty less. And that is why you have to choose digital marketing. Digital marketing is a very simple and elegant process that you just have to understand and put your mind into it. You will be taking care of social media, you will be taking care of search engines, which is Google, Bing, Yahoo, in the many places, and you will be taking care of websites, you will be taking care of emails, you will be taking care of conversions, you will be taking care of reputations and all those things from just through your laptop. Digital marketing அப்படின்ற ஒரு விஷயத்துல இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்கிறவங்க, people who want to learn more about digital marketing and build a field into it, your opportunity is right here. Our batch starts next week and you can enroll right now and join the course.